Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into the Adamanta 16GB DDR4 3200MHz SODIMM, a memory upgrade designed to breathe new life into your laptop. Specifically, this module, with part number 6FR89AT, promises to boost the performance of a wide range of HP laptops, including models from the Pavilion, EliteBook, NVX 360, ZBook, Omen, and Victus lines. This is a single 16GB module, operating at a speedy 3200 MHz. It's a non-parity, non-ECC, unbuffered SODIMM DRAM, featuring 260 pins and a single rank configuration. The CL22 latency and 1.2V voltage are standard for DDR4 SODIMM, ensuring compatibility with a broad spectrum of laptops. Adamanta backs this module with a limited lifetime warranty, which speaks volumes about their confidence in the product's reliability. They also claim to have hundreds in stock, meaning availability shouldn't be an issue. More importantly, each module undergoes thorough testing by the manufacturer, a crucial step in ensuring that you receive a fully functional and high-performing product. Compatibility is key when it comes to RAM, and Adamanta has provided an extensive list of supported HP laptops. From the business-focused EliteBook series to the creative-centric NVX 360 and the gaming powerhouses in the Omen and Victus lines, this module aims to cater to a diverse range of users. The inclusion of Pavilion models further expands its reach, making it a viable upgrade option for everyday users as well. The real question is, how much of a difference does this upgrade make? For users currently running with 8GB of RAM or slower speeds, the jump to 16GB at 3200 MHz can be transformative. Expect snappier multitasking, smoother performance in demanding applications, and reduced loading times in games. Even if you already have 16GB of slower RAM, upgrading to this faster module can still provide a noticeable boost, particularly in memory-intensive tasks. The Adamanta module is a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their laptop's memory. The extensive compatibility list, lifetime warranty, and manufacturer testing all contribute to a product that inspires confidence. If your HP laptop is feeling sluggish, this could be just the upgrade it needs.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.